Hello everybody and welcome back to the Tech Team. Okay, so you can see that I start upload every single day again, or I hope that this is going to happen. So with that being said, let's now jump right into the next video in the intermediate series. So in this video we are going to talk about remove, extend and insert. So let's create our array and say that is equal to, let's say, dog, and let's say cat. And now let's go and say, let's start with remove. So let's print the array first of all, and now let's say array dot remove. Okay, so if you run the program, nothing is going to happen right now. If I say, for example, D and I run the program, you can see nothing is happening because first of all we haven't printed the array again, and second of all you can't just remove, for example, the D of the dog. What you have to say here is dog, and then let's print out, oops, sorry, array. Okay, and when I press F5 right now to run the program, you can see that we have dog, cat and cat because we just remove the dog object. Now let's move on to extend. So let's say that we don't have this T right here and we have dog and cat. Okay, and now let's say array dot extend and say T. Oops, T like that. And when we run the program and print actually the array and press F5, you can see that we have dog cat and dog cat. Alright, and now, but you can see that if I do something like type here, we are going to get type like that. Okay, so last we have insert, which is a little bit more difficult and more hard to understand, but I'm really sure that you guys can do that. So let's say array. Oh, and one guy told me that my voice is not sound really good from here and to put my mic closer. The problem is that I can't do that in the place that I am right now. I'm going to take a screenshot one day so I can show you what is really going on here. I can't even move the mouse right now. It's really hard. So let's go to insert, and what we need to say is that, for example, let's delete the cat and let's say 2, for example, or 1, you're going to see what I'm doing. And now, or actually you can see that here we have the index and the object. Okay, what that means is that in the second, in the O is the index, and now the object is going to be that after the D, after the O, sorry, we are going to have, for example, an X. So let's run the program. We need actually to print the array again. Let's run the program now, and you can see that we have dog and do X. Oh, actually, yeah, I did a big mistake. So let's create a cat here. Let's create something else, for example, I don't know, a bird. Okay, and run the program, you're going to see that we're going to have dog, cat, bird, dog, eggs, cat, bird. So my mistake, I'm really sorry about that. But yeah guys, with that being said, I will see you all in the next video that I hope that is going to be tomorrow. So goodbye everyone.